guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today is something very nice. A lot of you asked it. It's beef heart stir fry. It's easy to do, super nice. I know not a lot of people eat that, but it's absolutely delicious. You have to try. I'm gonna marinate the heart first and later we're gonna stir fry it very quickly. Of course we need a beef heart. Nice, ask your butcher, and I'm gonna marinate this. Now we're gonna cut and marinate, and we're gonna marinate it in some vegetable oil, corn flour, soya sauce, 1 egg, salt and pepper. Later all the vegetable we talking about later. You can cook this just with vegetable, or you can use some noodles. You can do what you like. Anyway, cut the heart like this. Heart is basically like muscle, you know. We're gonna clean this inside. We don't need this stuff here. Or ask your butcher if you don't want to do this. Okie dokie. Some fat is done. Now you know this blood here. We're gonna give a little wash like that under cold water. Easy. This as well. Okie dokie. Now take the heart like that. I cut it just to show you how we're gonna do. Okay? Make square and thin like this. Straight like that. You see? Like this. Thin. We're gonna cook very fast. Thin. Thin you can. Wash your finger, or I told you ask your butcher to do that. Anyway guys, now I'm going to cut this and I show you the next step when we're gonna marinate it, okay? Okay guys, the heart is cut just like that, thin is possible, okay? Because we wanna cook very quickly. Now we're gonna marinate it. Put in the bowl like this, and we add some salt, how much you like, some black pepper as well, how much you like. Later we add 2-3 spoons of vegetable oil, 1, 2, and 3, as well 3 spoons of soya sauce. I use very dark soya sauce. I put even 4, and there are 3 teaspoons of maizena or corn flour put in, because we're gonna do at least 10 minutes before we cook the vegetable. 1 egg inside, like this. Guys, I use my hands, mix everything properly, you know. We are not master chef, but when we cooking, the taste is important. Always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, check our website, cookingwithanitalian.com. Okay, this is very important guys. This make the difference of this stir fry heart. We leave this 10 minutes. First cook the heart and later we finish with the vegetable. I'll see you in 10-15 minutes. The time to marinate this heart, okay? Okay guys, 15 minutes is gone. Now it's time to stir fry the heart. I add a nice 3-4 teaspoons of vegetable oil. The wok was already on the gas. Some garlic on is already going, and now the heart inside. Yeah, try to do the flame gonna be strong, and this we're gonna cook around 4-5 minutes. Okay, it's already started the whole marinade stuff. The smell already is absolutely nice. Anyway, see you in 4-5 minutes when the heart is ready, and later we're gonna start add the vegetable, okay? In the same pot. See you in 5 minutes. Okay guys, 5 minutes gone. I take this garlic out because I'm gonna use again for the vegetable. Now, you see, nice and crispy. This now go in the bowl. Oh yeah, wow, fantastic. Nice, the smell. This, I saw this recipe in when I was in Thailand. Okay, now, again, vegetable oil is 4 teaspoons. Now we put again this garlic, some chili, if you like, but I recommend you. It's very nice. Basically, everything is done. chili inside. We cut some carrot like this, guys. Very, very little. Like this. You see? Carrot inside. I have some courgette like that. We put everything inside. Carrot, courgette. I have some pepper. This is gonna be very quickly, okay? Inside. I have some gravy inside. Beef broth, little bit inside. Everything you like, basically. And now we add that 3 spoons of soya sauce. Teaspoon of soya sauce. And this is 3 teaspoons of oyster sauce, okay? We add the heart inside and we cook for 5-6 minutes. I show you when everything is done, okay? Okay guys, 6-7 minutes, the beef heart stir fry is ready. Look at that. It's absolutely delicious. Now you can add some noodles, or I'm gonna eat just like that. When it's like this, you can put some nice spring onion on the top, like this, raw. Again, some chili, always if you like. And if you like parsley, you put. I like a little bit, okay? And guys, now we're gonna try it. I know gonna be super hot. Look at that. Guys, absolutely delicious. Wow. It's another big dish al bacio. Very, very nice. Guys, the beef heart stir fried. Look at that. Look absolutely amazing. It's this. If you like, figure out and follow us. Ciao.